In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with WhatsApp. This process will help you leverage WhatsApp's powerful communication tools with the flexibility and features of Twilio. So let's delve into it step by step to ensure you have a smooth integration experience and begin reaching customers through one of the most popular messaging platforms today. First things first, you'll want to log into your Twilio home console. Once you're in, glance over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Here's what you're looking for. Locate the messaging section. Once you spot it, give it a click and then scroll down until you find an option labeled WhatsApp Senders. This is where you can manage and set up everything related to WhatsApp messaging. If you haven't set up any senders yet, you're likely going to see an option to create a new one, which will be labeled as New WhatsApp Sender. Clicking this will bring up a pop-up window, and this is where the real setup begins. In this window, you'll provide your business profile details. Think of this step as introducing your company to the platform. You'll need to enter your business display name and the company address among other crucial details. Make sure you fill all entries accurately to represent your brand correctly. Moving forward, it is time to link your WhatsApp business account. In this part, we're looking at two main steps. First, you must select the phone number you'd like to register. Once you've chosen this number, it's time to link your WhatsApp business account with it. At the bottom of the prompt, there will be a Continue with Facebook button. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to Facebook's setup, or Meta as it's now known, where you can establish or select an existing WhatsApp business account. Successfully linking your accounts ensures your registered WhatsApp number becomes visible under your WhatsApp senders list in Twilio. Next, let's talk about configuring webhooks. This sounds techy, but I promise it's easier than it sounds. You've got your sender number active, but now you need to set up the way Twilio communicates with your application. Think of webhooks as a bridge between Twilio and potentially your application, like Live Agent for instance. In this part, go ahead and choose Use Webhooks under the endpoint configuration for your WhatsApp sender number. You'll find fields where you need to paste specific URLs. The webhook URL for incoming messages is where Twilio will send any messages it receives from WhatsApp users. An optional step here is to include a status callback URL. This one is about tracking updates on the delivery status of your outgoing messages. By following these straightforward steps, you have now successfully connected your business's WhatsApp identity to the versatile messaging and development capabilities of the Twilio platform. Congratulations on opening up new, effective channels for communication with your audience. Keep exploring and happy messaging.